Hi everyone, this is Gina coming to you again with another segment. I'm going to sit here right now. I'm going to go over some quick and easy moves to help get that cardio up and build some strength. Now we know you're home, so you may just need some simple objects in your house to help you. Not everybody keeps weights, right? So maybe you can grab a bottle of water, and if not, a good old can of Del Monte or whatever else you have in your home. What I'm going to do is show you the first thing, how to strengthen your arms. So, if you would like to, you could take that bottle of water or that can, whichever you have, and just do a couple of biceps. We want to help strengthen these muscles, right? And you're just going to come up and slightly squeeze and come down. Come up, come down. Now I am going to suggest that when you're doing these movements, that you do about 10 of them. So you get 10 full repetitions in. So we're going to do a few more of these. Come up again with that slight squeeze and come down. Up and down. Up and down. Oh my God, we're up to number 9. And here we go with the last one, number 10. You did it. Congratulations. I'm going to put these down, and then I'm going to show you a little bit of a cardio that you can do right in your house, very simple. I just want you to march in place and use those arms. March in place and use those arms. Beautiful. So you're moving that body right now, you're getting that circulation going, which is great, and you don't even realize it. Just by standing in place, you are starting that cardiovascular system to activate in that body. So stay here and keep marching. And I'm going to suggest that when you do this march, that you stay here for 20 seconds. I wouldn't go over that at this point because this is a whole brand new thing we're teaching everyone, and we don't want you to overdo it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the next great thing I'm going to show you is how to strengthen up those legs and that butt, right? We always want to have a nice body, right? No matter what age we are, we want to feel good. I want to bring a little laughter to you because I want this to be fun for you. So what I'm going to do is move over here and get my chair. Don't worry about it, I'm coming to you. And if you have a chair, because I want to make sure you have good balance, what you want to do is you want to sit in your chair and stand up and squeeze. Sit in the chair, stand up and squeeze. Again. And I'm going to suggest one more time that we do 10 of these. And up. And sit. And up. Oh, we got halfway there. We're on 6 now. And up. This is 8. 9. Come on, give me one more good one. And 10. Beautiful. Now I'm going to come to the side of the chair. I'm going to give you another fun exercise. So you can stand here on any chair and you can hold the chair, right? Because we want to make sure you always have support and balance for any movement that you're going to do in your home. So if you hold the chair, we're going to work on the outer legs a little bit. So what I'm going to have you do now is stand here, hold that chair, and lift and down. Put that hand here on that hip and down. Again, please only do 10 of these to start out. So this is 4, 5, make sure you have good posture. Oh, you guys are doing great. We're almost there. And the last one, beautiful. Now what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So hopefully you have room and you can just walk around with some guidance to the other side of your chair. Hand on the hip, again, good posture, and out and in, out and in. Here we go. Smile. This is supposed to be a lot of fun. Remember, you're getting that body moving. You're strengthening the outside of the legs, you're strengthening the glutes, you're building stability here and balance. So we're almost there. Remember, we're only going to do 10. And beautiful, and we're done with that. So now what I want to show you is another way to strengthen the back of your legs. So here I want you to the back of your chair, posture's upright, and you're going to stand there. You're just going to kick back and kick back. Kick back, beautiful. And once again, all you have to do is 10 of these. This is so good for you. Make sure you're squeezing that butt a little bit. And we're almost there. Another 2. So 1, 2. Again, we have to switch legs. Make sure you're keeping that core up straight. Beautiful. I know you're having fun doing this. Couple of more. Keep going, don't give up. Great. So now we're going to go back to that cardio. So I'm going to show you something that you can do standing or sitting. What we want to do is we're going to stand up right now. We're going to put our hands mouth height, sorry about that, or chin height, and you're just going to swing them here. And it's like you're punching a speed bag, and you come up. So what happens is as you reach above the head slightly, or when you're level above the shoulders, I should say, you're opening up the lungs, so your breathing changes. By that happening, you are automatically doing a cardiovascular workout without using your legs. A lot of people don't realize how this can help you. Well, what happens is, if I'm standing here like this, everything's compressing, right? So your lungs are compressing, so the oxygen level doesn't go in the same. But as soon as we stand upright and we get our arms up, can't you feel your rib cage moving differently? Now, your oxygen level gets better because the lungs can open up more. And that's great. And you want to do this again for 20 seconds. And then bring it down. Beautiful. I look forward to coming back into your home soon. Have a great day.